Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi Anushka, welcome to IW Ambers. So,
Hi.
firstly, congratulations for this show.
Thank you.
So, I want to know about your character. कितना अलग है as compared to we have saw you in many times.
I am very different from Amy. Amy बहुत ही sweet सी, gullible सी, प्यारी सी लड़की है. In real life, I'm more louder and more energetic and everything. So I think it was fun playing this character क्योंकि मुझसे थोड़ी अलग है, मुझसे थोड़ी sober है, sweeter है. So it was a fun little challenge to play, and I'm really excited about how it's turned out.
तो कैसे दो दोस्तों में दरार आने वाली है उसके बारे में.
आप देख के ही बता लिए मुझे कि क्या होता है हमारे बीच में. हम सबको लग रहा है कि हम झगड़ते हैं, पर पता नहीं झगड़ेंगे या उससे मारेंगे. आपको देखना पड़ेगा देखने के लिए.
So, how was overall working with Old Balaji and the whole cast?
It was amazing. Honestly, it felt like home. It felt like I was literally in my living room performing. Everything was so comfortable. The cast and crew is stunning. They're such nice people. They were so much fun. So supportive more than anything else. You know, कि at no point it looked like हम सब काम करें और कोई कंपटीशन है को किसी से बेटर परफॉर्म करना है. ऐसे सब लग रहा था कि यार फैमिली में बातें चल रही हैं और फिर कैमरा ऑन कर दिया और हम लोग ओह शिट. I got scared looking at that. This myself. I thought someone was sitting right here. I'm so sorry. I died. Yeah.
You're talking about yourself.
Yes, it was very good. I mean, I love Ekta. Ekta ma'am has been a part of my life since literally the last 15-20 years since ITA started. And she's been a very integral part of ITA and my family. So there's a lot of love and respect for her. So I feel like there was no other better way to make my debut into the web space.
So, why you say yes for this web series? You know.
Honestly, it was the script. आगे पीछे मैंने कुछ नहीं देखा, कुछ नहीं सुना. मुझे पता नहीं था कौन दूसरे एक्टर्स हैं, कौन डायरेक्टर है, क्या कपड़े हैं, कौन सा लोकेशन है. Genuinely, I had no idea. I didn't even ask, literally. Till I reached set and I was like, oh, ये है हमारा set, you know. Because the script was genuinely very interesting. It was the only one in this category of shows in our web platforms in India जो adult teens के लिए था, जो you know. For the little older children technically who are about to get married, about to get their jobs and everything like that. So it was something different, it was something interesting. It helped me portray a different side of me. So I was like, of course I have to be a part of this.
Do you enjoy working on a OTT platform?
I loved it. Honestly, this show did not feel any less than a big production.
Yeah.
So I was like, what was lacking? Like even if you see the trailer, कपड़े अच्छे, locations अच्छे, हम अच्छे लग रहे हैं, गाने इतने अच्छे आए हैं. I mean, if you release this in a cinema, my mother's actually got messages from people saying, where can we call up to get the rights to release this in Indonesia and Saudi Arabia? So people genuinely seeing the trailer did not believe it's a web show. They believed it's a full-fledged film. And I would go watch this film in a cinema अगर कभी लग गई तो. So I don't think it was anything short of doing a big feature film.
How was your working bond with Crystal?
I hate her. सबसे irritating पकाऊ लड़की दुनिया की. No, she's been beautiful to work with. She's been so loving, so caring. I've genuinely found a very, very good friend in her. And I really couldn't be happier. I've genuinely made such beautiful bonds on the show. My director, DOP, stylist, Crystal, Adi. Like, I feel like I'm with family, you know. And we still meet. हम लोग अभी recently मेरे घर पे dinner हुआ था. घर पे chicken चावल बनाया था. And it was like a very nice home situation. So it's been a very comfortable, happy journey.
So, any plans for other web shows?
आपके व्यूअर्स और आपके प्रोड्यूसर्स जो देख रहे हैं हमें दे दें और काम. अभी के लिए तो कुछ नहीं है.
Okay, so do you get the chance? So you will do. I
100%,
think.
no doubt, no doubt. I mean, we're in talks. I'm in talks. There is something that's supposed to go on floor in next year, Jan, Feb. अभी बहुत time है, but yeah, I'm more than happy and more than interested.
Okay, any prank you want to share with your fans? No. Anything?
Prank.
Yeah, anything happen on set or any secret you want to share about your undekha, unseen?
रोज कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा था इस सेट पे. आई स्वेयर टू गॉड इट वाज अ जोक. दिस सेट वाज अ जोक. हमारा एक ग्रुप है सेट का एंड वी आर जस्ट लाफिंग ऑन इट 24/7 बिकॉज कोई ना कोई कार्टून गिरी कर रहा था 100%. और हम लाइक यू नो व्हाट दिस वन डिड तरड़ा, यू नो व्हाट दिस वन डिड तरड़ा. सो आई डोंट रिमेंबर एनी स्पेसिफिक थिंग बट देयर वाज लिटरली वी वर जस्ट लाफिंग. लाइक one incident was we ended up going into a hotel जहाँ पर हमको गलत रूम दे दिया बाय मिस्टेक इन शिमला. और जब मैं और क्रिस्टल अंदर गए हमको एक हनीमून स्वीट दिया था. तो उसमें लाल रंग के कमरे, शीशे की दीवारें, गोल बिस्तर विद अ कर्टन एंड मी एंड क्रिस्टल लाइक are we supposed to do a honeymoon like a night here, what do we do? And we were scandalized. So then they're like no you got into the wrong room, that was not supposed to be your room. So like that was such small silly incidents happening all the time that we were constantly laughing, like constantly.
Okay, so any message for the audience? Why should they watch Fitrat?
I think you should watch Fitrat because I'm amazing in it and apart from me these guys are also okay in it. और हमने बहुत मेहनत की है, बहुत प्यार से बनाई है. Genuinely all our relationships are going to be shown on screen. You will see the easiness with everyone's perform. You'll actually enjoy it and I'm sure it'll relate to a lot of you people and you'll feel कि यार ये हमारी कहानी भी है. So I wish that a lot of people do watch it because it's very relatable, very fun, very happy and we work really hard.
Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you so much.